Ever wondered why we sneeze? It's not just a reaction to dust or pepper, it's actually our body's defense mechanism. When irritants invade our nasal passages, the brain sends a signal to expel them forcefully. In fact, sneezing can propel mucus and germs at speeds up to 100 miles per hour. That's faster than some cars on the highway. Interestingly, about 1 in 4 people sneeze when they look at bright light, a phenomenon known as photic sneeze reflex. So next time you let out a big achoo, remember, it's your body's way of saying, "Get out of here," to those pesky intruders.